Now let me explain about these kitties. They are sisters. They came from the same litter. They were born in 2002, which means they're no young cats anymore. They're 14 years old and they're still in fairly good health. The one on the left is Jenny. The one on the right is Jessie. Everybody asks how you can tell them apart because Jessie is the one that has orange on her back. Now, before you go thinking I'm mean to dogs, because I'm not, both Mojo, the boxer, and Queen, the pit bull, have never been around cats before. And they also belong to a breed which is known for harassing other animals and or cats. The first boxer I ever had was a brindle boxer, and she would kill cats, and it just tore me up. I don't want either one of these dogs to get the taste of blood or to do anything to either one of these cats. So we've all been trying to get along. There goes Jenny. So we've all been trying to get along, and I thought sure that the dogs were still able to intimidate these cats until I saw Jenny the other day. Now, Jenny was feral until I trapped her when she was about 2 months old. I got Jessie because Mom was moving the litter and left her under a car when she was about 10 days old. So, that's my explanation. Now you can watch the other video.